Hey everyone, welcome back. So, in today's video, we're doing a quick review of Milano Tanning Drops, a supplement that claims to give you a natural, sun kissed glow without needing to tan. But does it actually work or is it just another fake product? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Let's start with what the official website claims. Milano drops say they're made from plant-based ingredients, rich in antioxidants and beta-carotene, designed to boost your glow from the inside out. You're supposed to take a few drops daily for visible results after a few weeks. But here's where things get messy. On Trustpilot, the product has a low 2.6-star rating. Recent reviews are harsh. People report no difference after weeks of use, calling it a waste of money and even accusing the company of false advertising. One reviewer even claims the product mimics a well-known brand and doesn't respond to refund requests, despite offering a money-back guarantee. Over on Reddit, users mentioned that the ingredients won't boost melanin like a real tan. Instead, they might just tint your skin slightly yellow or orange due to carotenoids. For the final verdict, while the idea sounds appealing, the real-world feedback is overwhelmingly negative. Users saw little to no results and some felt misled by the marketing. So for now, Milano Tanning Drops look more like a fake glow than a real solution. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Milano Drops, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.